What's your name?
Sheena.
Sheena?
Sabrina.
Ashley.
Stevie.
Alright, Sheena, rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
7.5.
Okay, rate him on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.
Alright. Alright, Sabrina and Ashley. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.5. 7.
Alright, rate him on a scale of 1 to 10.
8. 8.
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Physically or personally?
Physical.
10.
10? Alright, rate him on a scale of 1 to 10.
He's adorable. He's 11.
11?
Yeah,
So,
he's adorable. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
the answer kind of obvious, but who do you smash and who do you pass between me and him?
Everything how tall. Wait, which means him.
You'd smash him and pass me? Why?
Because you're too short.
Small axe cut down big chain.
Too short, bro.
Between me and him, who do you smash and who do you pass? Who do you smash and who do you pass? Based on physical appearance alone.
Doesn't that mean like a pedophile? Like, yeah, like kids.
That's not the point. Answer the question. Right?
Smash him, pass you.
Why?
His eyes are lovely.
It's not
So-
gay, bro.
It's really.
Okay, I'd smash him and pass you.
So why? Give me a reason.
Because I'm taller than you.
So hold on. So because I'm short, you pass me and smash him just because of my height?
Yeah.
So you wouldn't give me a chance?
Mm-mm.
Do you even
No.
You know, so everybody pass me? Everybody.
And plus he's tall. You're short.
Wow. What's your name?
Ileana.
Eliana, nice to meet you.
Kylie.
Okay, Kyle, that's a nice name.
Thank you.
Are you a Jenner or
No,
why not?
I'm a Cayetano.
Huh?
Cayetano, that's my last name. Sky.
Sky, that's a nice name. And you're wearing a blue shirt, so it kind of makes sense. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
A scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah,
Any specific criteria?
just physical features.
Physical features? Of the socks and slides. Typical brown boy white t-shirt with the chain. Solid 8. Solid 7.5, 8 out of 10.
Oh, that's nice. Alright, what about him?
Let's see. Has a little brown boy polo going. This is a brown boy look I see going on.
Sounds like a hater. I'm not gonna
Yeah, man, out of 10. Eyebrows are very thick, very full. That is a plus. Yes, you can get an 8 out of 10 as well.
Alright. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
You, I don't know. I don't know you. I just met you.
Physical features alone.
1 to 10?
Yes.
I give you a 6.
Okay, what about him?
I give you like a 5.5. I'm sorry.
What kind of guys are you attracted to?
Tall, dark, bearded.
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Physically. You don't know me from Adams. So
Probably like a 7.
alright, rate him on a scale of 1 to 10.
I give it like a 8.
Alright. So seeing that we're both even, who would you smash and who would you pass?
Is both an option?
As in both pass or both smash?
Pass.
Nah, you have to pick one.
I have to pick one. Smash or pass. Well. You.
Why?
That's the first one, yeah, why?
Why?
Yeah.
You want to know?
Just say why.
Oh, I like his face shape better. That's it.
I'm ugly.
No, I
No,
said I
this
like his face shape. His
So I'm
face shape.
ugly.
If that's what you want to be, you can go ahead and be ugly. It's okay.
Between me and him, who do you smash and who do you pass? You have to pick one.
I don't know. I guess you.
You guess?
I guess. I know. That's why I was like, I don't know.
I'm cuter than you, but
Yeah, I don't know.
Is it
You
because
have a
I'm darker though?
face. You have a nice face.
So, am I ugly?
I didn't say that. Did I say that? I didn't say that.
Oh, so you'd smash me and pass him?
Yeah.
Because of my face?
Yeah.
Who would you smash and who would you pass?
Rated. Smash. Pass. Sorry.
Smash him and pass me? Why?
I don't know. I like height.
Everybody like height, dog. Are you taller than me?
Yeah.
Barely. But I can still, put in one.
I mean, you're not my type, so.
What is your type? You don't know me, so how am I not
All
inside?
guys. Yeah.
So you've never dated a short guy before?
I mean, short, but like not shorter than me.
I'm barely shorter than you.
I mean, you
That's
can-
not.
Sorry.
What's your name?
My name is Jessica.
Jessica?
Jessica. Name it's close to Jessica, so them kind of make it up after that.
Oh, it was a typo. Understood. So,
Hi, my name is Alexis. Allison.
alright, what's your names?
I'm Crystal. I'm Kendra.
I'm Zania. Shanice.
Alright, so Crystal, Kendra, Zishi, and Shanice. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
In terms of
Physical features. That's the only thing you know about me.
9.
Alright, rate him on a scale of 1 to 10.
About 8.
7.
Alright, rate him on a scale of 1 to 10.
Seven. 5.
Okay.
9.5. 8.
8. 8.
Alright, rate him on a scale of 1 to 10. Just physical features, come on.
7.
That's an 8.
Yeah, I them get the 9.
The 9, 8. 8.2.
Alright, who do you smash and who do you pass?
My God. I guess smash. Smash as well.
So, the two of us, you just.
I guess. You're both attractive, I guess.
I can get your number?
Huh?
Can I get your number?
Sure.
Between me and him, who would you smash and who would you pass?
Same.
Why?
I don't know. I think you're more my type. Well, I don't know. You just look better. And I'm not really my type.
None of us? What's your type? Tall, dark, handsome.
Precisely. And bearded.
And what?
Bearded.
I want to them girl and this whole beard thing. Alright, who would you smash and who would you pass?
I can smash both.
You can smash, yeah, you can smash both.
Okay, smash both. Oh yeah. Smash both, yeah.
What about you?
Both.
No, dog, gonna have a pick, dog.
don't look bad, so both.
No, it's not both. You have to.
I'll answer.
A difference somewhere.
Okay. I'll smash Sing. And yeah.
Pass. Why?
Because
Kendra. Why both? You want
Because-
2 gunmen in your own?
yeah.
Zishish. Yes, sir.
So if I had to choose, then I would say Trev.
Why?
Kite.
So because him taller? Alright, Shanice, how about you?
I'd smash Sing and I'll pass on Trev.
Why?
There's no reason.
It has to be a reason.
There must be a reason why you...
Him can't just better than
They say you don't find him as attractive. Nah, ask you know me, I ask. I
No,
don't.
it's not that. I mean, you got 8 and he got 8.2. It's just.
So that means
Nah, cause you could look good, but you don't want to smash in a dog. You see me?
so what am I? Artwork?